Hello everyone. Welcome back to another Fabulous Friday idea. This is where I just take and play and have fun. For today's project, I am going to use the vintage walls from Uniquely Creative, and I've chosen this piece. Now, all measurements are on my blog, so you can get the link below and go there and get it. I needed a sentiment and I wanted just a simple hello, so I pulled in a dozen thoughts, long retired. I paired this piece with a piece of 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗀 because it needed something to set it off. And I thought that matched there very well. I pulled in my 𝘁𝗵𝗶𝗀 ink to stamp my sentiment. I am using a 1-inch circle punch to punch out my sentiment. I am using a scrap of white. Project I was working on didn't work out, so I'm using it. I bought this short stripes cover plate from the ton at the Stamp, Scrap, and Art tour, and I've never used it. I had an idea for this, and this is my first time playing with it, so we'll see how it works. So I cut out a piece. I didn't need the whole thing. And then I have my card base. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my card base, and I'm going to fold and burnish it. Okay. And this piece is going to go on the back at an angle, like so. So I'm going to take and I'm going to add it with some glue. All right. I'm going to do dots across here because it's very narrow. And then I'll take and do this. And I don't need to do any of the inside pieces because there's going to be a piece on top that'll hold it down. Now this piece has to go on and it has to fit just right at an angle. So you've got to kind of watch your sides, your top. All right, so there's that. This one goes on next. And I pulled in some of the gems from the kit also. They call them embellies, which I think is fun. This piece is going to go on like this. All right. See, I think that makes a nice background. May not be the right color, but it's the color I went with. Maybe it shouldn't have been a white card base. I don't know. Maybe it should have been ivory. All right, so there's that. Now, let me do my sentiment, because then that will tell me where to put my embellies. And don't you love the way they put them together? Such a fun way. All right. I'm going to try that there and see. I was trying to make a box, and my box didn't work. It was too big. So I've been using it as scrap paper. The box design is good. It just wasn't the right one. I'm wondering. I think I'm going to try something. I think I'm going to get the 1 1/4 and put black behind it. And let's see what that looks like. So give me a minute to get my punch. You know what? I'm going to put it up there because I don't want to hide those pretty flowers. I like that. So I'm going to do that. All right. Let me put that down like that. And I'm going to put that on with some foam adhesives. If I can find them. Here they are. I'm going to put one there and one there. Okay, there we go. Let me put this down even because I want this. It's very hard to do this straight because you've got angles, but you want your sentiment on straight. I know it looks crooked, but it's not. Okay, so I've got that. Now I can add some embellies. You know, I'm not real thrilled with it. Hang on. I have some black sequins. Let's see. They have a iridescent look to them. Let's see what it goes with. All right, let's see if this works. It may not be the right color. It'll depend on how it picks it up. No, not the right color. Let me see what other sequins I have. I'm into a sequins mood this week. Let's see what color this is, if it'll work. Ooh, that will work. Don't you think? If you don't think it's a good match, leave me a comment and let me know. That's sticking to me. Let me make sure before I put these down that I don't have anything else. These are kind of iridescent. We'll see. Okay, going with these. All right, so I'm going to put one here. And I know I usually use my take your pick tool. I need to get a jewel picker. Everybody else uses jewel pickers and really likes them. So I may have to try one. All right, and then one up here. And it's already on my finger. Where's my pin? Okay, there we go. Got them. I'm going to leave it alone. They kind of have a rose gold look to it. And there's today's Fabulous Friday idea. And I went looking in my stash and I found a rose. I stamped this one the wrong way, but that's all right. That I thought kind of matched the flowers. They might be hydrangeas, who knows, but I did the rose to match it. And I stamped the inside and the envelope. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Fabulous Friday idea and that you'll come back next week to see what I do again. Have a fabulous Friday. Bye.